Are you looking for the best LCD TV 4K smart network home? In this video we will look at some of the best LCD TV 4K smart network home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ultra HD 2K/4K Large Screen LCD LED TV. OEM LCD LED TV 50, 55, 60, 65, 70-inch television sample 32-inch Full HD Android TV Smart Product Parameters Product Name Normal or Android Smart TV Resolution 2K Full HD/4K Ultra HD Size 24 100-inch Color Black Receiving System PAL, NTSC, SECAM Refresh Rate NTSC 60 Hz, Display Format 1080p, Full HD, Input Function VGA, ATV, CVBS, Audio In, USB, PC Audio Logo Customized Logos TV System DVB-T/DVB-T2/DVB-T/PAL/SECAM/NTSC OEM Support OEM/ODM Service Certification CCC, RoHS. Provided according to customer needs. Number 2. UPERFECT Delta Mega 23.8-inch Delta Mega 23.8-inch 100Hz dual screen stacked computer monitor with speakers dual screen revolution, double efficiency. The 23.8-inch dual screen design provides a wider field of view and convenient operation. 1080p high definition picture quality presents a delicate picture. Whether it is multitasking or immersive entertainment, it can easily meet your needs and make your desktop more stylish. Number 3. SGF LCD TV 4K Smart Network Home. Samsung Smart TVs come with a built-in Smart Things hub that lets you take charge of your home and life. Connect your smart devices, optimize energy efficiency, enhance your daily routine and more, all from your Samsung Smart TV. Connect your home devices for a smarter lifestyle. A Samsung Smart TV is installed onto the wall of a living room, accompanied by the Smart Things and Matter logos. The TV displays the Smart Things home screen. Icons pop around the various home devices in the room, such as a couch lamp, air conditioner, blinds, robot vacuum cleaner and air purifier, indicating connectivity. Number 4. MJY 75-inch LCD TV Network Wireless HD 60-inch Home Cinema Experience. Enjoy movies and TV shows upscaled to 4K for a sharper image and more lifelike details. See it as the director intended with filmmaker mode. HDR10 Pro allows you to enjoy the latest HDR content with extended contrast for visuals that pop off the screen. A5 AI processor Gen 6 powered by AI, you will experience enhanced picture detail and improved sound from the A5 AI processor Gen 6 that upscales content to 4K and detects room lighting to adjust color and picture contrast to optimal settings. Number 5. Normal televisions accept custom television. Smart TV. Bring movies and shows to life with support for vivid 4K Ultra HD, HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Digital Plus. 4K Ultra HD, HDR10, and HLG deliver a clearer and more vibrant picture with brighter colors compared to 1080p Full HD. Press and ask Alexa to easily find, launch, and control your content, or check the weather, sports scores, and more.